Hello students. In previous video, I gave you the answers of 25 words of lesson number 13, 3 days to see. Now in this video, I give you the answer of the following question in about 50 words. Now the question number 1 is, how does Helen Keller remember her teacher Mrs. Anne Sullivan? हेलेन किलर अपनी टीचर मिसेस एन सुलिवन को किस तरह से याद करती हैं? एंड द आंसर ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन इज मिसेस एन सुलिवन मैसी वॉज हेलेन्स डियर टीचर. शी केम टू हर व्हेन शी वॉज अ चाइल्ड. शी ओपन्ड द आउटर वर्ल्ड टू हेलेन. Her kindness and affection had made Helen's life worth living. She gave her the strength of character with which she could stand firm in the face of difficulties. Now Helen wanted to see the outline of her face so that she could cherish it in her memory. She wanted to study her face and find in it the living evidence of the sympathetic tenderness and patience. Thus, Helen Keller remembered her teacher. Question number 2. Throw light on Helen's love for nature. Citing examples from the lesson. यहाँ पर आपको हेलन का जो लव था नेचर के प्रति उसके ऊपर लाइट डालनी है और लेसन से उसके लिए कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स आपको फाइंड करने हैं कि किस तरह से आपको पता चलता है कि हेलन इज अ ग्रेट लवर ऑफ nature. So answer of that question is Helen had a great love for nature. Up till now she enjoyed the beauty of nature through touch. She felt the delicate symmetry of a leaf. She judged the smoothness of the skin of a silver breech. She also felt the rough and shaggy bark of a pine. She searched the birds by touching the branches of trees in spring. She felt the sweet quiver of a bird. She undertook walks in the woods. All these examples prove her love for nature. Question number 3. Summarize the activities Helen would undertake on the second day. In this question, student, you have to write about what she do in her second day of sight. सेकेंड डे साइट का जब उनको आंखें मिली तो उसमें वो क्या करेंगी, क्या किया उन्होंने, उसको समराइज करके लिखना है. सो ऑन द सेकेंड डे हेलन वुड गेट अप एट डॉन. डॉन इज अ मॉर्निंग टाइम. शी वुड सी द ग्रैंड मिरेकल ऑफ नाइट रिप्लेसिंग इनटू डे. शी वुड एंजॉय द सन अवेकिंग द स्लीपिंग अर्थ. शी वुड ऑल्सो हैव अ क्विक व्यू ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, how the past changed the progressed through the ages. She would see all that she knew and enjoyed through her tactile sensation. She would go to theatre or some movie. She would enjoy the actors acting in the theatre. Thus, she would pass her second day. Fourth question. How would you conclude that Helen Keller was a great lover of art and theatre? आप किस तरह से इसको कंक्लूड करेंगे कि हेलन केलर एक बहुत बड़ी प्रेमी थी आर्ट की और थिएटर की? So answer is Helen Keller was a great lover of art and theatre. We can conclude this as it is stated that she would like to spend the second day's evening at the theatre or at the movie. She was blind, yet she often attended theatrical performances of all sorts. Her companions made her understand the player's actions. Though she was unable to see, yet she wished to see the fascinating figures of actors amid colorful Elizabethan costumes. Question number 5. What are the things Helen is eager to see in New York? न्यूयॉर्क में ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं जिन्हें हेलन देखने की बहुत इच्छुक है? आंसर इज Helen was eager to see the fantastic towers of New York, the glittering spears that produce an awe-inspiring sight, the huge banks of stone and steel structures giving impression as if the gods might have built them. She would stand at a busy corner and took people trying by sight of them to understand something of their lives. She would also see smiles, determinations and suffering of the people. Question number 6. What is Helen Keller's advice to those who would make full use of senses? हेलन ने क्या एडवाइस किया है अपने सेंसेस का फुल यूज करने के लिए लोगों को? Helen Keller advises people to make full use of their senses. This world is full of diversities and varieties. Nature is full of various sides. People should hear the music of voices, the songs of birds and the mighty strains of orchestra. She advises the people to touch each object, smell the perfume of flowers, taste with relish each morsel. They should try to enjoy pleasure and beauty which the world reveals to them through various means of contact. Question number 7. The gift of eyesight is valued more the better by the blind person than one who has it. Justify this statement through the reflection expressed in the lesson by Helen Keller. जो आई साइट का गिफ्ट होता है वो ज़्यादा वैल्यूएबल होता है ब्लाइंड पर्सन के लिए एक्सेप्ट जिनके पास आंखें हैं. तो इस स्टेटमेंट को जस्टिफाई करना है कि जिस तरह से हेलन ने उसे एक्सप्रेस किया है लेसन में. आंसर इज eyesight is a great gift of nature to man. People who possess this gift very often ignore what they should see. If a person is deaf and dumb, he can walk and see things. He can record them on a piece of paper. But a blind man cannot walk without stumbling and is unable to make any record of beautiful aspects of nature. Seeing is believing and a blind man is no judge of colors. Thus, a blind man values the gift of sight more and better than a man with eyes. So students, these are the answers of your 50 words. So write it in your fair notebook and learn it.